Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to do serious academic research faster and smarter, using Perplexity AI can help you find credible sources, structured insights, and research-backed answers in minutes. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Perplexity AI for academic research effectively. So first thing first, start with academic mode. Okay, so open Perplexity AI, select academic focus mode. This prioritizes research papers, scholarly articles, and verified sources. Okay, the foundation of good research. So ask a clear research question. So we have weak question and we have strong question. So for example, a weak question like tell me about climate change. Okay, but a strong question is for example like this: what are the main scientific causes of climate change with evidence? Okay, so be precise, because better questions equal better research. Okay, so review the structured answers so you will get clear explanation, organized points, supporting evidence. Okay, so read carefully and don't rush. Check sources and citations too. So for example, look for journal articles, university websites, research papers. Click and verify. So this is crucial. Okay, you can also ask for citations. For example, give me APA citations for this, or list sources used. Okay, it helps in assignments. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.